Hey guys, it's Sam for Digital Meat, and this video is just a bit of an update to let you know what's been going on and what I've been up to, really. So first I want to explain why it's been so quiet on the tutorial front over the last month or so. Some of you already know that the company that I worked for 8 years, we parted ways. So I had a decision to make whether I was going to look for another job doing 3D or if I was going to bite the bullet and go out alone. So that's what I've done, and I've spent the last month setting up my own business and sorting out all the stuff that will give you a headache, like taxes and accountants and all that kind of thing, and obviously doing work and trying to generate work as well. So that's what I've been up to. But now things have settled back down again. You probably noticed recently that videos have started to go up and that type of thing. So that's what I've been up to. I look like I'm getting a bit more settled now, so there should be more content flowing. The other thing that I wanted to talk about was the fact that I've set up a mailing list. Now, I've done this so I can better communicate with my users and also my Prime members as well, because obviously videos are going up in the Prime membership area on my website, but I've got no way of, I didn't have any way of communicating with my Prime members that had happened. So they weren't being, they didn't know that there was new tutorials up there unless they went to the site and had a look for themselves. But now I've got an email list for my Prime members. When tutorials go up, they will be informed. I can send them emails, and that also applies to my regular users as well. When new tutorials go up on the site and YouTube, anyone who's set up a free account on my website will now get an email telling them that there's new tutorials or new content or any of that stuff. So so I just wanted to talk about the mailing list. To be on the mailing list, you're going to need to have an account on my site, which is free. So what you can do is you can go to the account tab at digitalmeat.uk, and that'll load the login page. Now, if you haven't got a login, you're probably thinking, well, I can't log in, I haven't got an account. And if you go down to the bottom, you've got this register button here. If you click on that, it will take you to the register page, and you can set up a free account on digitalmeat.uk. And you'll notice that there's a little checkbox here that says sign me up for tutorial updates. And if you click this box when you register and then register, you'll get an email saying, could you please confirm your email? It's just like a verification just to make sure that you're you. And you verify your email, and then you're added to the list, the mailing list. So that's one place you can do it. I've also set it up so in the comment section, so I'm just going to go to the tutorials page and go to one of the tutorials. If you go down to the comment section, well, you can't see it at the moment because I'm not logged in. So that's another reason to set up a free account on digitalmeat.uk. It allows you to comment on videos. And the reason I've done that is so I can stop bots spamming in the comments. You need an account to comment. You also need an account to vote in the poll on digitalmeat.uk, because obviously I don't want that getting spammed either. I actually want to know what you think and what you want upcoming tutorials to be about. So like I said, the best way is to go to the registration and sign up for a free account. Now, assuming that you've already got a free account, I'm going to log into mine. Okay, so I'm logged into my test account now, and this is what you'll see when you've logged in. You'll have your own little sort of area of my site, and here, if you bought any downloads from the store, you can get to them here, and any orders you've made and all of that kind of stuff. But there's a space in your account whether you can choose whether you're subscribed to the mailing list or not, and that's in account details. So if I click on that, it will take you to the account details section, and as you can see, I've removed any of my details in here so you guys can't see them, but down the bottom you'll see that we've got this newsletter section, send me tutorial updates, so you can turn it on from there as well. And now I'm logged in. If we go to, say, a tutorial, down the bottom here, you can see that we've got a checkbox here saying sign me up for tutorial updates, so you can actually sign up for them there as well. This subscribe to comment checkbox is so if you do make a comment in here and then post it, if you have this subscribe to comment checked on, it means that if anyone replies to your comment, you'll be emailed to inform you that someone's replied to your comment. So like I said, anyone on the mailing list will be getting updates about tutorials. My Prime members specifically will be targeted to let them know that there's new Prime members tutorials in the Prime members section of the website. And I'll occasionally send emails to my regular users about the Prime members tutorials, just so I can inform what kind of content's going up in the Prime membership area and maybe entice some users to join. I just want to reassure all my users, whether they be regular users or Prime members, that I will not be spamming you 24 hours a day with emails. It'll just be to inform you of, new tutorials. I know how annoying it is when you sign up for something and you're getting emails every day and you're just like, right, okay, well, I'm leaving this emailing list now because this is just harassment. So just want to let you all know that I will not be spamming the hell out of your inbox. So like I said, guys, it's well worth signing up for an account on Digital Meet. Like again, it's free, so there's no skin off your nose. The only thing that isn't free is the Prime members area. You will have to subscribe to that. It's $20 for the entire year, so a 12-month period, and you'll get access to this Prime members area here. I've also got a blog as well where I post up things that pique my interest. I posted this up recently. This is a music video that I won't have the sound on for because I'll get copyright striked, but I thought it was a nice mix of sort of cell shaded animation alongside with sort of photoreal render as well. I thought it was quite interesting. So, anything I come across on the web that I think's interesting, I'll pop up here. So it's well worth looking at the blog. The tutorials page, you can vote on upcoming tutorials, and you can see all the tutorials I've done here, and you can even filter them by category. So quick tips, there's all the Cinema 4D quick tips, just Cinema 4D, UV Unwrap tutorials, all the SIGGRAPH stuff, Unity, RealFlow, you name it. So it's worth checking out the tutorials here because you can really sort of dig down and sort of find what you're looking for. I've already covered the account, Prime membership area. We've got a store there, we've got a gallery. So it's basically just some bits and bobs that I've done really. So in here we've got sort of renders I've done, some doodles I've made. I've also got a video gallery as well, some videos that I've made. So, it's worth checking out. I've also got a contact page as well. So basically, if you need to get hold of me for anything, and here also you've got a little checkbox for to sign me up to tutorials. So if you want to get hold of me and sign up to the mailing list, you can do it from there also. So yeah, it's well worth checking out the site, guys. So that's just a quick update. I think this mailing list is really going to be helpful for my users in terms of, knowing about tutorials that are coming up and just updates in general. So like I said, if you want to receive those updates, go to digitalmeet.uk, go to the account tab and register for a free Digital Meet account. For my viewers on YouTube, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new tutorials. You can check out content at digitalmeet.uk, where you can filter my tutorials by category and vote in the poll for upcoming tutorials. You can also follow me on social media, links in the description and the footer of my website. If you'd like to help support Digital Meet, this can be done via Patreon or the support page on the website. But if you want to help Digital Meet keep going and bag yourself some extra in-depth tutorial content, the Prime membership is available for purchase in the store. This will grant you access to the Prime membership area of the website. I also have a second YouTube channel called Beef Doctor, which is a bit of a dumping ground for non-3D content and where I'm streaming games. There's a link in the description and the footer of digitalmeat.uk. I hope to see you guys in the chat. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.